The year 2020 reminds us that we have a finite time here on Earth. When the time comes for the death of a loved one to occur, we must find methods that enable us to cope with the loss. Hello, I am Daniel Dadibus, and I have investigated the topic of grief with the essential purpose of determining how effective experiential services are at producing happiness for the grieving. The first step in answering this question was establishing how I was going to measure happiness within an experience. Within the Book of Joy, the Dalai Lama explains that experiencing love, compassion, and generosity leads to true happiness. These emotions also increase the experience's sentimental value, personal importance, and fellowship. In order for a service to produce true happiness, all of these 6 factors have to be incorporated in the experience. Once I determined how I was going to measure the happiness of an experience, I decided to implement my happiness scale onto 2 experiential services, funerals and group therapy. For group therapy, I deduced that this program is able to produce all 6 elements, which proves that it is an effective way to gain happiness after the death of a loved one. For funerals, I discovered that these ceremonies can worsen a person's happiness if factors such as financial and emotional stress decrease the amount of love, compassion, and generosity produced. When funerals are able to capitalize on these 6 elements, they can be an effective way to generate happiness for a loved one. In conclusion, the amount of happiness an experiential service produces depends on its incorporation of love, generosity, compassion, sentimental value, personal importance, and fellowship. Thank you for your time.